thanks for joining me today. I'm on this beautiful beach in the Philippines, soaking up the sun, and I thought I'd just do a walk and talk on why I dropped out of college. Now, I just want to get this disclaimer out of the way in the beginning of the video by saying that if you feel it in your bones that you were meant to become someone who requires a college degree, then do that, do what's right. And click off this video because I'm here to tell you that you should not stay in college. College is traditional and outdated. And in case you haven't noticed, tradition is fading very quickly in today's day and age. And that's due mainly to the ease of communication of information. I'll say that again, the ease of communication of information. I'm talking about the internet, I'm talking about your smartphone that you're probably watching this on right now. So in my college experience, I was playing the game of switching my major from this to that. I became interested in health and nutrition right as I was changing my major to nutrition science. But a few months went by and I had already learned so much, this vast array of knowledge from all these different sources about health and nutrition, that I didn't see myself needing college to teach me anything further about nutrition, just because it has such a limited curriculum on that subject. So, and I was also dealing with animals in test tubes, animals in cages, and I even had to dissect some animals, and I was just not resonating with that because I had already developed such a love for animals, a pure unconditional love for animals, that I couldn't see any animal suffering anymore. So college was adding no value to my life other than the possible income I would have when I graduated. And income is the main reason most of us go to college, whether we like to admit it or not. We basically get stuck in this money trap where we get stuck with all this debt after college, and then we go in desperate search of a job that will allow us to pay for our house we're already paying for and the college debt we have to pay off. And then this job that we get only comes with these anchors that just make it harder and harder to leave that job if we want to. And these anchors include friends that we develop, annual raises that we get from the job, and even the house payment that we have now. So to get back to the point of this video, I was ready to align my actions with my goals. I wasn't going to keep hanging out with people who weren't allowing me to grow, and I didn't want to keep surrounding myself with the same environment, the same temptations that would only hold me back from further developing, from furthering my health. Basically, I was vibrating on a frequency that did not match my surroundings. I was also deceiving myself. I thought I had to take this traditional route that everybody else took just to earn some income later on, when I already had this vast knowledge of wellness, health, and nutrition that at any moment, by talking to someone, I could make a profound difference in their lives. And what better way to make a profound difference in your life than by making YouTube videos like this? So you may be asking, was it hard for me to drop out? Yes and no. It was very easy for me to drop out because my gut feeling was stronger than it had ever been in my life before. The only thing that was hard about it was dealing with the effects of what I was about to do. And what I want you to take away from this video, if anything, is that you should never lock up your desires or your shoulda, woulda, couldas in a box that you allow your friends and family to create. It's not worth any second of it, I'm telling you. So before I go, I just want to leave you with this one last thought. Someone who increases their amount of happiness by dropping out of college and doing what they want to do is much more successful than someone who makes $1 million and who is unhappy. So on that note, peace, much love. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.